I'm Maya Bauer, and you're watching
Cat Scratch in the Morning.
Today is Tuesday, February 10th. Today for lunch, we are having pork rib sandwiches. Cat Scratch would like to give a birthday shout out to Grayson James, and there are no sports today. And now for Tism of the Week.
Tism of the Week with Brady.
Hi, I'm Brady, and today's Tism word of the day is magnetism. Clark, what do you have to say about this?
Well, magnetism's a really cool thing that all of you guys know about, but it's one of those things where it's actually quite misunderstood. So, like, for example, all of you guys know how a compass works, where you have, like, a North Pole and a South Pole. But here's the thing. If you have a compass, opposites attract. So, in other words, like, if the point of your compass is pointing north, wouldn't it necessarily be pointing to the South Pole of the Earth?
Yeah, I never thought about that.
Yeah, so that's one of the things. And here's the other thing. Metals in particular, everyone's like, okay, there's magnetic metals and then there's non-magnetic metals. So, like, for example, would you say that aluminum is magnetic?
No, not really.
No, and, like, I have just a pretty strong little neodymium magnet here. And obviously, this isn't magnetizing. But the thing is, like, more things are magnetic than you actually realize. Like, for example, even oxygen is, like, what's called paramagnetic. Now, just to show you what I mean really quick, I have this little tube. Obviously, if I drop the magnet through this tube, would you expect anything to happen? No, and it just falls through. But if I do that with the aluminum tube, the things that are in particular called paramagnetic or have like some other kind of magnetic influence doesn't really let you fall so much. So it's influenced by the fact that like metals love to conduct electricity. So because of that, metals really like to give away their electrons, so they interact with magnetic fields really well. So in particular, you'll notice that slows down a lot. Sometimes I have to even shake it to get it out of there.
Yeah.
But it's pretty neat. There's actually a ton of elements that do that in particular, but only like 3 or 4 that actually work as a magnet like this. So, yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You've been watching Cat Scratch in the Morning. Have a good day.
Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.